Okay, now we want to take a moment and talk about maintaining your health and safety when using your voice equipment. When cleaning your Talkman device and headset, you can clean all of the areas of hard plastic with a 70-30 alcohol solution. So you can use the alcohol pads or a spray bottle with alcohol solution and a soft cloth. So to clean the device, you can take your alcohol prep pad and wipe the areas, the buttons, and all of the areas of the hard plastic on your device, as well as your headset. For the soft foam pieces that you will find on your microphone cap and your headband, these can be washed with a mild dish detergent and set aside to dry. You can remove the ear pad cover as well to clean this separately. Again, these are not intended to be shared across shifts, so each individual picker or user of the system should have their own for maximum health and safety. When using the headset, you can use the headset with a mask. The speech recognition should still perform well. You just want to make sure that you follow the best practice of keeping that microphone 1 or 2 fingers away from your mouth, and you shouldn't have any problems. All right, if you follow these simple steps, you should be able to stay safe in your operation.